Hello, it's me, Gohan, Saiyan. I'm back on another video, and today I'm going to be reacting to ShinRon versus Parranga, made by SJ9K. So, let's get right into the video. Make sure you subscribe, comment down below, and leave a like on the video. Make sure you hit that bell while you at it. And comment down below what video we're going to do next. So, let's get right into it. I like that intro. Oh, there goes ShinRon and Parranga. Wait, anaconda? Oh, I didn't know we can get on Twitter. I'm too busy fighting. If you hear that, ignore it. Oh, he spent straight bars. Wait, what? Okay, he probably is. It's probably true. Never know. Wait, hey, yo. Wait a minute. Wait, I got a question. Wait, when did it have mamas? Why are they making bars like it's a new technique? Wait, sauce. Oh, you can wear them like a scarf? Oh, I thought he was gonna say something sus. Oh, there go Dende. Ooh, y'all need to get a rest. Wait, when you getting checked? Ooh. 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 Oh, he got a gun? But wait, but I thought you was the guardian of Earth. So why do you need a gun for that? Plus you can do some key blast. Okay. Oh, he said get your homeboy. Okay, so if you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe. Comment down below the type of video you're going to do next. Leave a like on this video and hit that like. Wait, that's the wrong thing. Hit that bell while you're at it. The funniest thing was when Dende came. Said,